Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals come to you live from Vietnam. Good morning. I'll also talk about we could be seeing another exchange, Nexio exchange about to tank. Will the crypto contagion continue? Are we done, or are we going to see more crashes, guys? Are we going to see more stuff going down, guys? And I got my coffee. I'm ready. You're ready. Let's get it, guys. So remember here, everything isn't financial advice. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. So let's jump into it, guys. Let's absolutely jump into it. It is insane. In the membrane, we are seeing right now, if we take a look at what's going on with the pre-markets are also looking pretty miserable out there. The midterms are still ongoing, guys, in case you're watching that. What else is coming in? We've also got what looks like weekly mortgage demand flattens, interest rates climb to 7.14%. This is not looking good. Everything's not looking good from that perspective. Don't forget, we have CPI tomorrow. Meta is laying off 11,000 employers. So looks like the Zuckerberg is letting loose and getting rid of some of the staff out there. So that is not good. DXY is coming back up, but we're still looking pretty good DXY wise because we are below 110. So that is looking pretty good. But it's not helping the crypto markets at all, as you can see right now. You know what time it is? It's heat map time, and I got to get the glasses on. I'm burning up out there. So the whole crypto market gets a red card. Will this crypto contagion end? Are we seeing a huge collapse? We're seeing absolutely a massive collapse out there. We're seeing Bitcoin is down below $18,000. We're seeing ethereum down, wow, 16% today. What the heck is going on with that? That's insane. I mean, I haven't seen these kind of numbers since we had the Luna Classic debacle out there. We're seeing that BNB is down. We're just seeing a lot of red out there, a lot of turbulence out there. It is blood on the street. Everything is not looking good. Everything is going down. And I know a lot of you out there are not feeling very good. Just look at this carnage out there. A lot of people getting wrecked, and there are rumors out there that Nexio exchange could be the next victim out there. So we're going to be talking about that. This whole FTX buyout with Binance, is that going to be a recovery, guys? Top 10 mentioned coins, in case you missed it in the previous video. People talking about Bitcoin, Solana, FTX. Everybody's talking about FTX, guys. That is what is going on with that. We're seeing that right now. Bitcoin is still collapsing. We're going to be talking about Dogecoin, because Dogecoin is actually coming back up, guys. Believe it or not, Dogecoin is strong right now. We are seeing that Bitcoin is still continuing to collapse. Yesterday, it's down, went to a low, down 20%, and right now, from yesterday's high, we're down 16%. So it's not looking good for itty bitty baby out there. You guys can just see here, look, make that a little bit bigger. We just seem to be cascading down, and we're seeing that also for Binance. $277 million of leverage longs have been liquidated. So there's a huge long squeeze on right now because people are just going nuts, guys, on leverage. People are shorting, continue to short, and a lot of people are also accumulating a lot of long positions. So we're seeing a lot of longs getting wrecked out there, a lot of havoc. You can see here, this is a Hunter Wick. This is a probing Hunter Wick. This is market makers taking liquidity out of the market. This is also another Hunter Wick out there. More market makers pushing the price of Bitcoin down, because when we had this Hunter Wick here, and Bitcoin went down as low as 16,950, which was our previous bottom in June. What happened is a lot of people took a lot of long positions because they thought it was going to go up. Well, they were wrong, because the market makers saw that coming, and what they're doing is they're pushing the price of Bitcoin down. They're using this whole FTX thing, this whole collapse of FTX token as an excuse out there to go in and create these probing Hunter Wicks, because a lot of knuckleheads are leveraging, doing a lot of longs out there. So that is not looking good. We're seeing that the weekly is also looking pretty bad as well. Looks like, if you look at the technical support, has been obliterated. So this is not good, guys. So according to this, if you look at the technical supports, they have been totally obliterated for Bitcoin. There is a concentration of bid liquidity around about $15,000, as you can see in here, guys. So what that means is, but there's no technical support. The last technical support that we can see is around about this area, and this is around about 13.8, and this 13.8 level is the June 2019 bull market top. So that is our next line in the sand, guys. This is absolutely the next line in the sand. So it's not looking good. The only good news out there is that Bitcoin is getting cheaper to buy on the way down. So I put some buy orders in around about 13.8, guys. I think that's going to be the bottom, guys. So I have been telling you guys that 13 is going to be the bottom for Bitcoin, and that's going to take the whole markets down with it. So if we have this Nexio exchange that does tank, that is not going to be good. That is definitely not going to be good. Looks like from Mustache Analysis, it looks like we are currently going to experience a true spring event in the Wyckoff method. So you can see here, if you take a look at the Wyckoff pattern and you overlay, it's almost identical. So we should be seeing, hopefully we'll get a spring event coming. Hopefully it doesn't happen. Hopefully it happens in the spring. We got the spring event, you know what I mean? And we get some upside from that perspective. It's not looking good. Things are not looking good. Looks like Kathy Wood, ARK Investment, scoops up another 21.4 million in Coinbase stocks because the stock is down, because crypto's tanking, guys. What else is going in here? We can see that if you guys are holding any of these coins that I'm about to talk about, be ready. They could collapse because FTX, Alameda. Look, Binance is buying FTX, but they're not buying Alameda. So Alameda is on its own, and they are going to have a liquidity crunch, and they are going to tank. So right now we're seeing that these cryptos will be dumped soon after Solana. So we're seeing here that right now, so the Alameda FTX, they're holding a ton of these cryptos out there. Matic is being one of those. They've got about 150 million in wallets, including stable coins, ETH, Buy Bitcoin, FTT tokens we talk about, but also SRM, OP, Matic, Mask, Sand, and Phantom. So you're probably going to see that these tokens are going to tank because they're going to get liquidated. What's going to happen is Alameda is going to liquidate these. FTX is probably going to liquidate these. And what's going to happen when people start seeing these getting liquidated, we're going to see a lot of retail investors panic selling, and they're going to start selling and dumping, and these prices are going to be going down. GD down. So that is not good. Matic is below $1 right now. We can see that Matic is down 16.8%. And there's going to be a lot of sell pressure coming, guys. So watch out for that. Absolutely get ready. Once again, I repeat these. We're going to see Ethereum, Bit, FTT we know about, SRM, OP, Matic, Mask, Sand, and Phantom. And a lot of people in my community are holding Matic, Sand, and Phantom, and ETH, guys. So get ready, buckle up, guys. It's going to be gnarly out there. What else is coming in right now? We said Cardano avoids FTX tragedy thanks to this, guys. So it looks like Cardano is actually coming out a lot better compared to the other cryptos. You can see right here that right here, Cardano is not too bad. We're seeing the total market cap right now is down about 10.35%, and that's at $879 billion out there. But you can see that Cardano is not doing too bad compared to everything else. So that is okay, guys, absolutely okay. So we're looking pretty good. But you can see Dogecoin right now is down 11.39%. Market cap is at 11.7 billion. But Doge is actually faring pretty good compared to a lot of other cryptos. It's doing better than Polygon, doing a hell of a lot better than Solana that's getting tagged because FTX is dumping Solana. It's doing a lot better than Ethereum out there. So Doge is fighting back, guys. Actually, Doge is fighting back out there. So take a look at the price of the FTT token right now. FTT token is down 71.82%, and that's at $4.79. So it did hit a low. It did absolutely hit a low of around about, as I said earlier in my previous video, it did hit a low of around about $3.14. Come back a little bit, but this is dead as a doornail. Expect more bleeding out from this one. Has the bottom come in for FTX? I don't know, guys. I don't know. We're seeing that it's up 132% of volume. So there's a lot of selling, a lot of trading going on. And we're seeing that the market cap is down 71.25%. So it's not looking good out there for that. What else is coming in? Latest tweets. Looks like these two mofos could be sharing the same soap on a rope, guys, in hotel incarceration out there. So why are you here? I thought you two were financially stable. Well, it looks like these mofos aren't financially stable. They're going down, down, just like the market cap, guys. The market cap is going down, down. Looks like Bitcoin falls 15% in 3 hours and hits a 2 years low. So we are seeing that Bitcoin did hit a 2-year low. Remember, our previous low for Bitcoin was around about 17,558, guys. We hit that in June, but we went well below that, as you can see here. And I really believe that, our next stop for Bitcoin, like I said, worst case scenario for Bitcoin is going to be around here, guys. So buckle up. The previous 2019 bull market top is going to get hit at around about $13,800, guys. So that is what I'm thinking out there, guys. I know you guys don't want to hear bad news. I definitely know you guys don't want to hear bad news, but it is what it is. I ain't going to sugarcoat crap out there. It's bad news out there. So these two mofos, they're going to be, in hotel incarceration. You know it. I know it. Bitcoin is in the toilet. Looks like 300 million Doge moved in recent hours as Dogecoin loses 20%. So there's been a lot of whales moving Dogecoin around, but we are still seeing a lot of leverage traders on Dogecoin, so that is not good, guys. We're seeing in the last last 24 hours, we're seeing about $861 million worth of wreckage, and you guys can see that we're still looking at $23 million of Doge. What the heck are you guys doing? Stop leverage trading. $277 million worth of Bitcoin, 229 of Ethereum. Things are not looking good, and we're seeing it's all longs, guys. Look at this massive long. That's why we're seeing a long squeeze, and things are going down. Down. So what else is coming in? Looks like Doge founder slams Inu. What's going on with this? So recently, CZ had a tweet talking about the two big lessons that they've learned. Never use a token you created as collateral. That's as bad. Never borrow if you run a crypto business. Don't use capital efficiently. Have a large reserve. So you want to have a one-to-one reserve. And then what happened is the chairman came out and said, honestly, CZ would probably name it Shiba Inu. And then Shiba Nakamoto, the Billy Marcus Dogecoin developer, said that would suck. So he's just taking a pot shot at Shiba Inu. So Billy, come on, there's enough room for everybody out there. Grow up. Looks like Binance liquidates $277 million in 24 hours, as I showed you. It's around about here, guys. So Binance is liquidating a whole ton out there. So it is not good out there, guys. So things are not looking good. Looks like the Doge Fear and Greed Index has come down from 61 to 37. People are panicking like crazy. People running for the hills. Oof. Looks like $5.3 million worth of Doge has been moved, guys, to multiple addresses to an unknown wallet. So looks like we have these multiple addresses of Doge, and they've all been sent to one wallet to consolidate. Hopefully, that's not going to go on exchange. If we take a look at the Doge Warrior right now, despite all the calamity out there, we're actually seeing that Dogecoin right now is showing some life. It's actually showing some life out there, and we are seeing that Dogecoin. Let me get that out of there. Dogecoin right now is up almost 2% right now, 2.38%. So that is looking good. So the Doge war is fighting back, and guys, we are above 9 cents, guys. So we're coming back. Dogecoin is coming back, guys. So if you're part of the Doge army and you love the Doge like I love the Doge, guys, this is looking phenomenal. This is looking fantastic. We are fighting back, guys. We're absolutely fighting back out there. It's a nice, beautiful candle. If you take a look at this candle, the Doge chart on the 4 hour, this is also going to look pretty awesome out there. We're up, guys. We are absolutely up right now. So that is pretty good. On the 4 hour, up about 4.74%. So we are back above 9 cents. So we're back in business. Dogecoin is fighting back. I love it. You love it. Let's take a look at what's going on. Like I said, Dogecoin is now down 10.82% time recording, and we're seeing the volumes are up 80%. 3.6 billion has been traded right now, and we're seeing that around about 16% has been lost in terms of market cap. But Doge is coming back. Doge is coming back. I think Doge could be one of the first coins to bounce back. We're seeing that the social mentions in the last week are still down 35% and 4% respectively. That is not good. Absolutely not good. What else is coming in right now? You can see, guys, be careful. You want to know why I think Nexio is in trouble? Because there is no real-time audit. This is a lie. So Nexio came out and said that a PCAOB certified auditor, U.S. accounting firm, said that there offers a real-time audit of Nexio custodial assets, showing our assets of which Nexio tokens are less than 10% exceed customer liabilities. So basically, what Mike Burgersberg and this guy, this guy, if there's dirt, he's gonna find it. And it looks like, Nexio could be in trouble. It could absolutely be in trouble. And this could be a bold-faced lie. There is no real-time audit of their liabilities out there. So that is what that's all about, guys. What else is coming in? As you guys know, This is what started all this collapse. Celsius, Voyager, 3 Hours Capital, Hold Your Nuts, Alameda, FTX is next. Could Nexio be going? Yes. And also Luna Classic. These are the three biggest, the biggest catalysts this year that have dumped the markets, guys. Absolutely dumped the markets, guys. And also too, if you guys are worried about your crypto, get your crypto on a freaking hardware wallet, guys. Do it right now because we're going to see more exchanges collapsing. Nexio could be next, guys. Not spreading FUD. If you don't own the keys, you don't own the crypto, guys. So let's get it. Let's take a look at what's going on with Shiba Weeby right now. Shiba Weeby is going down. Actually, it's lost the zeros at zero, a bunch of zeros at 984. And you can see the Doge is coming back. Doge is fighting back, guys. And Ethereum also is collapsing down. It's at 1224. Downtown. Will you want to go downtown? So it looks pretty bad out there. So that's going to bring this video to a close. It was a quick update. So get ready. If you got your coins on Nexio, get them off there right now, guys. Get your coins off Nexio before they stop withdrawals. Wait till the dust settles. Get your stuff off Nexio. That is my advice, not financial advice. That's what I would be doing. I appreciate it. And guys and gals, don't forget to go and follow me on Twitter. Follow the yellow brick road. Go back and watch previous videos. We have follow. We got 5,029. This gets up to 10,000, guys. Don't forget to go check out the links down there. The links are down there. We got the Dogecoin tippy jar. We got the Now Ledger affiliate link. We've got the Patreon link. We got the buy me a coffee link. We got tons of stuff out there. So go and buy me a coffee. Support the channel. Get the merch, guys. The mug is right here, guys. The mug in real time. I appreciate it. So, guys, be well. Be careful. Crypto is a freaking jungle out there right now. Get yourself a hardware wallet. I can't stress how well you'll sleep at night. And guys and gals, you do you. You be beautiful. You be blessed. I'll see you next one. That's all I got. Peace out.